Hi all and welcome. My name is Jeff. I'm so excited to unbox the Houselane INR200 Pro Style built-in range hood with you today. This model comes in three sizes, 30, 36, and 42 inches, and it's 18.5 inches deep. What I love about this range hood is the stainless steel finish. It looks super elegant and is incredibly functional for anyone like me who loves to take on some serious cooking. Whether you're simmering sauces or searing steaks, you'll be able to rely on this range hood. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, Houselane provides amazing customer service, starting with free shipping and a solid warranty, making it easy for you to upgrade your kitchen. All right, let's see what we've got in this box. So here's the INR200. This range hood has a simple, modern look. Like I mentioned, it's made of high-quality stainless steel and has a professional design. It's designed to fit into any kitchen or custom range hood shelf. Now for the chefs in the house, you'll appreciate the high-performance blower. It's just perfect for all your heavy-duty kitchen adventures. And don't worry about the noise. The specially designed duct system and quiet yet powerful motor will keep your kitchen feeling zen, even when you're cooking up a storm. Now I'm turning it on a low-speed setting. And this is the noise level. You can still hear me clearly. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get set up, including the Easy Clean baffle filters, a 6-inch round adapter for top venting, and a grease holder, plus all the screws and bits for easy installation. Thinking about going ductless? Grab a charcoal filter separately and you're golden. These baffle filters have convenient handles, are easy to take out, and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Not to mention, the adjustable, bright, energy-efficient LED lights and dial knobs make it easy to see what you're doing and control the fan speeds. So wrapping it up, the INR200 isn't just any range hood. It's a mix of sleek style, solid build, and serious power. Ready to handle whatever cooking challenge you throw at it. Got questions or still couldn't decide on which model? We're here to help. Thinking it's time for a kitchen upgrade? Houselane's got your back. Don't wait. Make your kitchen the heart of your home.